Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable your Lenovo Thinkpad T410. And this process, what I'm going to tell you to do is very simple. Just click on your power button and try to click on F12. And when you click on your F12, trying to show you that the boot menu is on F12, but is not enabled. I'm going to quickly show you how to enable it. So first of all, what you do, you can click on Ctrl Alt Delete at the same time to restart your system. Then after, you're going to click on F1. When you click on your F1, I'm going to come a little bit closer. When you reach this point, F1, do you see Startup down here? You're going to click the down arrow key to go to Startup. Then click on Enter. Then after, what you're going to do, you're going to go on Boot Device Lists, and this option is on. You click down. Then when you reach there, click on Enter. Then this option is disabled, as you can see. Then I want you to enable it. Click on Enter again. Continue. Then after, you have to save changes on our laptop. And this is how you do the saving changes. You click on F10, then you click on Enter, then the computer will reboot again. Then what you do, you're going to click on F12 to check whether the boot menu is working. And now our boot menu is working, so you can be able to click on either your USB booting options, then you install Windows. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment for more help, and also see you in my next video. Goodbye.